Welcome back, everybody, to McNeil's Garage. I'm Sean McNeil, and today we're going to be talking about wiring. Who likes wiring? I don't like wiring. I hate wiring. As you've seen in the description, 94 Chevy Impala SS. We LS swapped it. We missed some wires. I've looked all morning trying to figure out how to get the terminals out of the back of the fuse box underneath the hood. Well, I finally figured it out after hours and hours sitting there looking at it, pulling. So what I'm gonna show y'all, it's gonna be a short video. And I know the ones, I hope it's very informational, but I've got another wiring harness here. And what I'm talking about is these pins here. That goes to the relays. How do you get those out? Well, I'm gonna show you. So you figure out which one you want, and if it's on this row here, you got this thing, you got this slide here. I didn't know that this morning, but I do now. So we're gonna work on this one here. Let me see here. We're gonna work on this one right here. I done demolished that one because I tried to get it out this morning. We're gonna work on this big black one right here. So we need to slide this out past where the black one's at and stick you a needle, sharp, whatever you want to call it, down in the opening. Give this a little wiggle. There you go. Hours upon hours. So when you want to put it back, you will just, there again, pull that thing back, slide it up in there, shut it. There. How hard is that? Well, it must be pretty hard. I'm talking about hours, because I could not figure out what these are for. I never did notice them. But they got them on all three sides. You got one here, you got one here, you got one here. This one here is the long one that runs down through here. This one here runs here. This one here runs these big fuses here. So if you ever try to pull the prongs out of the fuse box under the hood of the Impalas and don't know how to do it, there you go. So I hope this helped y'all out, because what we did, we forgot to hook up the fans. So I had to rearrange some stuff in there because I don't want to put up a bunch of other relays, because I, like I said, hate electrical stuff. So I figured that out. So I stole some stuff over here, put it in there. So hopefully tomorrow I will be putting it back all together and hook the electric fans up. So hope this helps somebody out there. If it does, comment below. If you already knew it, comment below. Say, hey, stupid, I already knew that. Pretty easy. But I searched everywhere this morning trying to figure out how to get those stupid prongs out of there. So just want to jump on here and say, to show y'all how to get them out. Sean McNeil, McNeil's Garage, say thanks a lot. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment below, share if you got people that's trying to do this themselves. So, all right, see y'all later.